Grade 7 Health and Physical Education Unit 1 Let us build a healthy family environment. What is known as health promotion? Health promotion is the process of enabling people to improve their health by gaining control over facts affecting health by taking measures to change them. Write three main factors that influence healthy family environment: physical environment, mental environment, social environment. What are the features that should be in a healthy physical environment? Fresh air, clean water, healthy food, sanitary facilities, clean surrounding, sufficient space, tranquility. What are the features that should be there in a healthy mental environment? Love, protection, relaxation. What is the importance of a mental environment? In a good mental environment, a pleasant environment is created. Being able to identify one's abilities and face challenges productively. When love, protection, and relaxation is there, it contributes to the promotion of health. What are the uses you receive by spending leisure productively? Development of knowledge, display creativity, enjoyment, enjoying physical fitness. What are the features that should be there in a healthy social environment? Existence of good interpersonal relationships, fulfillment of duties and responsibilities, effective communication, respect the law, acting as a team. What are the qualities that should be there to observe to create a spiritual environment that enables to protect physical and mental health? Engaging in religious activities, helping the needy, showing kindness to animals, engaging suitable meditation, engaging yoga exercises, protecting nature. Steps can be taken to promote family health under 5 main themes. Name them: establish policies regarding health, development skills and knowledge on good health, creating a healthy environment, obtaining the support of the community, making proper use of the health service provided. What are the policies that should be discussed and agreed upon? Establish policies to promote the family health. Use the 3R concept to manage waste, minimizing the use of polythene, limiting the intake of sugar and salt instead of fried drinks, tea, coffee or medical herbal drinks to save electricity and water, washing clothes every other day and ironing clothes together once or twice a week. What is known as the 3R concept? Reduce, reuse, recycle. What can your skills and knowledge be developed on good health? The knowledge derived from school and books, magazines, papers, etc. Information gathered from public health inspector and public health midwife of your area. Information gathered by listening to the health program should be shared with family members to develop knowledge and skills on health. Explain as to how the support of the community can be obtained for promotion of family health. We should participate in community programs, share joy and grief with neighbors, and help neighbors when they are in distress. And also, it is important to maintain contact with place of worship, the school, and the Grama Niladhari office to organization community programs such as Ramadan campaigns and public awareness programs on prevention of the use of alcohol, drugs, and smoking with community support. What are the measures that should be followed in order to make proper use of health services? If a member of the family has an infectious disease, inform the PHI. In case any member of the family is pregnant, informing the PHM and getting her assistance. Getting vaccination on time and getting information from PHM. Providing assistance to organize program to solve health problem in the village. Getting checkup to know whether family members have any infectious disease. What can you do as a student in order to maintain a healthy family environment? Fulfilling your responsibilities towards the family. Sharing in the day-to-day work of your household. Actively participate functions in the family. Maintaining good relationships with parents, siblings, relations, friends, and close associates. Discussing problems with parents openly. Following correct food habits. Avoiding skipping breakfast. Getting into the habit of eating home cooked food. Avoid smoking and consuming drugs. Making family members aware of the ill effects of these. Guard yourself against attempts by the other to get you involved in such acts and inform parents it happens. Protect your brothers and sisters from getting involved in these types of activities. Spend your leisure time productively, engaging in aesthetic activities, taking part in literacy activities, engaging gardening. Convey health messages to the family. Share least knowledge with the family. Dispel wrong ideas and myths entertained by family members. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Myself Learning Academy and put a like and a comment to this video. Thank you. Creation of Myself Learning Academy.